So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how you can increase your speed of your Wi-Fi. So without wasting your time, let's start the video and go to your setting or device manager. Let's go to device manager and click on network and adapters and go to your router adapter number and go to properties, click on advanced, scroll down, click on transmit power, click on value and click on highest and click on OK. Now you have successfully increased your Wi-Fi speed without any using application or website. So this much for today. Until next video. Bye bye.